me Supriti. Thank you so much for coming back. And if you are new here, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can stay tuned to my channel. And if you're wondering like why am I dressed up in a sari, then this is because I'm going to show you some hairstyles that will help you to complete your Indian look this festive season. If you're having a oily hair like me, yes, I have a very oily scalp, and I'm sure there are other women out there who have the same problem like me. I need to wash my hair every 2 or 3 days, otherwise I'll have this all champu and chipku hair which gets really unmanageable, and especially if I'm deciding to do some hairstyles on my hair, then it doesn't actually work out. So I have figured out some hairstyles that you can do in this condition, like if you're having a bad hair day, and if you can relate to me, then this video is for you. So stay tuned to the end of the video to watch those hairstyles. So before I start showing you the hairstyles, I really need to show you like how oily my hair is right now. This is like I haven't oiled my hair. So this is what my hair becomes after 2 or 3 days of shampooing my hair. So the first hairstyle would be a low sheet bun, which you must have seen a lot of people doing it nowadays. Yes, that is really trending, and if you're having a oily hair, I think that would be the best way to handle and manage your oily hair, because you really don't have to use any setting spray. So the first step would be like combing your hair properly, of course, and then you need to do a middle parting. So take a comb and straight. This middle parting should be very straight and very neat. So yes, do a middle parting and then comb your hair properly and like smoothen the surface, and there should be no bumps. And this is the classiness of the hairstyle, and this is the main thing of the hairstyle, is that it should be very sleek and very neat. Take a small comb if required and smoothen the surface. So once you are done combing your hair, then very tightly you're going to make a ponytail. So you just have to divide your entire ponytail into 2 strands, and then you have to twist one over the other, and just like a rope, one over the other. And I'm doing this to give my bun a little nice texture and of course volume. So after twisting your entire hair, what we are going to do is make a low bun. So for that, take this hair and just rotate it around your ponytail, around the rubber band where you have your rubber band, and then just secure the ends or hide the ends inside. So to complete the look, I'm wearing this beautiful earrings. So I've got these earrings from Dharmatala, or we call it Planet in Kolkata, and that is the shopping paradise for people who love street shopping, and I'm one of them. I love street shopping. So I'm going to complete the look with a bindi, and I think if you're having some chokers, this hairstyle is perfect. I was really skeptical about trying out this look because I have a round face, and I thought that this hairstyle would make my face look broader. But no, I think this is really going well with the festive mood and everything, the attire. So I think, and also it is hiding my oily hair very well as giving a classy look at the same time. And I think you should try this hairstyle this festive season. So I just changed from the sari because the look that I'm going to show you won't look good with sari. So if you're wearing something kurta or some kind of ethnic skirt, I think that would really look good on you. So for this, all you need to do is do a middle parting. I already have a middle parting, so I'm not doing it. And then I'm going to make small strands like this. See? Comb it very neatly in front, so this portion that you are seeing should be very smooth, and then just in front of your head start braiding the hair like normal braids. So take small rubber bands like this and then tie it here. So this is my first braid, keep it aside. Make one more parting like this. So make another strand, and we'll repeat the same process. We have already done 3 strands, so I'm going to make one more strand this side also. So I'm going to do only 4 strands right now, and I know I'm looking really weird. Sorry for that. So flipping each of the strands and then sticking it properly. So what we need to do is flip this strand, hold it like this. You can just hold it over here, and then one more strand, and here goes my last strand. So see, I am holding all the strands over here. So the most important thing is in this hairstyle is that since you are just flipping it, so there are high chances that they would create a loop like this if it becomes loose, and you do not want this. So you have to stick it very tight. Use hairpins and then just pin it. Yeah, that is it. You can just open these rubber bands at the back. What you can do is like keep this hair like go like this and leave it like this. This looks great like this as well. I really love this ponytail look, and you can do anything with the rest of the hair. You can just leave it open, or you can like braid the entire hair, or like tie the entire hair at one side. So you can do a lot of things with it. I have like completed the look with jhumkas. I just love jhumkas. And also I think the best part about this hairstyle is that you have to do the entire braiding very simply in front of your face. You don't have to hold your hand up above your head like this and keep braiding. So I think that is the most difficult part when it comes to do your own fish braids, because it literally gives you a very bad handache. I cannot do it. This is the reason I love applying the hairstyles on somebody else's hair, because it's much easier than just doing it on yourself. So yes, I hope you like this hairstyle, and if you did, then give this video a big fat thumbs up, and also like, comment, share, subscribe, yes, all of that. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, enjoy the little things in life, because life is beautiful. Bye.